How to see who shared your Snapchat story. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can see that who shared your Snapchat story. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to open up your Snapchat application. Now once you are in here you have to click on your profile and you have to go on the add to my story. Now if you click on it and here you have to add the story that you want to add in your Snapchat, and you just have to select the that who can view your story. Now here you can select the peoples that who view your stories, and after that you just have to click on this arrow icon and put the story in your account. Now unfortunately the Snapchat doesn't give you any option to see that who shared your Snapchat story, but you can still view this story that who viewed your story. You just have to click on this eye icon and from here you can see your story rewatch. Now if anyone send your story to the another person, they are also come in the viewed, and from there you are able to see that they also viewed your Snapchat story. So that's how you can see that who see your Snapchat story. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.